Getting ready to share my screen. Let's see what we got going on. All right, there I am. At least I think I am. There we go. Okay. Hope I don't know if that showed up at the time or not. So either way, been doing pretty good with live testing. Somebody asked me earlier how I was doing with the back testing for the new hedging process, and I'm like, well, I'm still back testing that, but I'm actually live testing going forward against all these same pairs that I work with the hedge with. So nothing has moved as far as my hedging positions. I'm still in the $2,500 drawdown, whatever. But I've made probably about 12 to $20 on taking little trades here and there on the 5 minute using the RSI. That's been fun. So I actually missed a couple today. We went to the range to go shoot some guns here. That wasn't one of them. Was it one of them? No, nope. I don't know. I don't remember which one it was that I had missed, but we're going to get straight into FX replay. Back over here. Back into the session. So here we go. We are up $1,500, 96% win rate. Going back to the chart here, I'm going to take a picture of that for somebody else. Go to chart. So let's see what happened last time. I think, and this is where, yep, this is where I have not figured out how I'm going to keep track of the hedges of the hedges. So I was hedged up here at some period in time and then got into a trade where it looks like I was going to be able to take a buy up. And so I'm hedged down here. So I think what we're going to need to do, so that goes there. Let's have another one that goes up there. So I'm going to take the position tool, wherever that is at. It's right there. Long position tool. We're going to come here on this guy, put in stop level 500. That was a sell. So that goes the other way. This still doesn't have the backwards stuff. Okay, that's fine. We'll come here, short position. Here. It has a 500. There we go. And that was supposed to be that, but we're hedged there. So in order to get that, that has to be a 1 to 3 going in this level. That 776 should be putting us here. Yeah, about 75% right there. So this next one, would have to come here, and that's order 471. I want one of these guys. And that's that guy here. And we'll flip that, and we will find the upside for the other guys. So this guy is there. And that's for order 379. Then this guy is here. And that was 918. His mark's way over there. So let's get his bottom center, bottom, right. All right. So now we have something like this. That did not stay. All right. So now we have that. So I'm going to move this over, move this back a little. And that way I can highlight them both, or all four of them, and move them along with us. All right, cool. So that is that. I am basically waiting until we hit to one of these marks right here so we can trim out and hopefully get out of this mess at some point in time. So let's see how things plan out. It's going really slow. Let's speed this up a little bit. Speed this up more. Oh, well, I guess what session are we in? Don't need that right now. All right, we are go to the next day. You can go away. I have a feeling we're not going to be anywhere near where we need to be. The only way we could take another trade is if we came down here, roughly in this area, or came up here in this area. That'd be it. It's the only way. It's the only way. All right, let's go. I'm going to go ahead and speed this up a lot. We might even just have to go ahead and jump out to the hourly just to make sure. Let's jump out to the hour. We're going to open this up a little bit. All right. Go to next day open. Nothing. Continue through. Where would we have to be in order to get? Because we still want to be down here. So if we get a lower low, we can look on the RSI and see what we got. Sitting through some stuff. What day is it? It's 5, getting ready to come into the market open. 5 minutes. We'll be coming in at 8:30, 8:45. Right there. Cool. And boom, let's stop there. All right, we got some movement here. We did make a lower low, like I was saying. If we get to a lower low, we can look at the RSI, see if we get a oversold is the only place we can go. If we go overbought, we're too close to this other position. The hedge would be put with inside this, and we don't want that. Ooh. Oh, darn. Look at that. That would have been pretty. What was that position? 15? So that would have been on the close of this guy. Of course, it happened way too fast, so couldn't have had it happen. So, but we can look at see what it would have done. So it would have been open of the next candle here. This would have been 10 pips. It would have easily been hit, and we would have been out. So that would have been a win, 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 but that did not happen. Slow that down a little bit. We don't want to buy or overbought. We don't want overbought, so that doesn't matter. Come down here to the oversold section. Let's see if we can get another one in the oversold. All right, there we go. We are at 11:20. We're still within our trading window. We're going to take it, place an order, buy market, 1, take profit, 10, save. There's that. And then we're going to come down here. We're going to come 50 pips away from that. Cool. Place order, sell, stop, one position, save. All right. That'll get us set up for that. As you can tell, wherever sold, 1848. Got that mark there. Pops up. We'll be good to go. Or just falls down. That can happen. So now we're outside of our trading window, but the market price is still going, and we're done. We're out. So we can close this one. And we are still watching this here. If this could drop down, we would be at we would be at uh, this should be 75% of these two right here. And this one is those two right there. So a lot of stuff I'm trying to keep track with. We can move these with it so we can keep that together. Yeah, let's clean that up. Okay. I'm gonna put you here, you here, you here, and you there. There. Then we'll jump back out. I'm gonna jump back out to the 4 hour for a second. Shrink this up a little bit. Come here, grab all this, move over, put on the 5 minute again. And now we should be clean here. All right, we're outside our day, but this would be a triggered alert. So if this gets triggered, we'll be able to trim because we want to trim as soon as possible. And that's what will need to happen. So I'm going to play this out a little bit faster, but I just want to get down there to that mark. They can just drop down there, that'd be nice. Well, I guess we'd have been asleep by now. So let's go to next day open. And we got nothing. So came down here earlier. We got nothing here. Let's play the market out. Looking at the RSI as we get close to that bottom there. Getting close. Nope. Dropped out. All right. We're still back in, going the next day open. Nothing. This is why I like forward testing for the most part. Like, sure, you can see a lot of stuff on the back test. There we go. We popped in, we popped out. But, it's boring. Like, you're sitting here doing nothing, and you could go about your day. So we should have been in on that one. We can kind of get in on the next one. Place order, buy market, one lot, take profit, 0. Save. There's that guy. Okay, place order, sell, stop, entry price, 1, save. Cool. All right, let's shore that up. And watch it go. Are you gonna do anything? You're gonna pop up there, and we claimed it. So that is another one for the books. Books are good. And we are done for the day. We're still not down here anywhere yet. So next day open. All right. Nothing has happened here. We popped out early around 8:25, but we don't care about that unless it's the 8:45 or 8:40 candle coming into the 8:45. So we're going to let that go. Pan a little bit forward. Nothing. Nope, 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 nope. Oh, there we go. Dipped into that one. Would we have been in there in the previous one? Nope. Looks like it was 22. So you can look at that and go, yeah, but what about this one? Oh no, we should have been in that one. This one was 22. 1939. We should have been in on that one. We technically should have been in on that one. But for whatever reason, we did not. I will do. So I'm going to use that as the stop level though. So I'm going to go ahead and place the order, buy, market, one position, take profit, 10, save, sell, stop, one position at that entry price. So that entry price still there. It's actually less than 50 because we're actually starting here. Take profit is there. Still only going for 10 pips, even though I've shrunk down the level there. And we'll see how everything plays out. All right, out again, pausing out. And we are out of our window. Next day open. Where did that? Okay, see now we're out. We're out. This would be a sell, but we're already still in the window here. We're still in the hedges. So nothing I can do there. Nothing. We are in May of 2024. We have account balance of 2,600. If we were to close out right now, we would be what, up 600 bucks. So not bad. Not bad at all. Let's see if we can do anything about that. Let's play. Just waiting, waiting, waiting. Let's go faster. Because I need you to come down a little bit. Oh, we're out of our window already. All right. Next day open. The market doesn't care about us. Going out to the 4 hour, I need to clean up again. Move some of this stuff out of the way. Looks like for whatever reason, some of my icons are a little wonky. Not exactly sure why. Why did that guy stay way over there? Come on over. There we go. All right. So here we go. Dropping down to the 5 minute again. We are still within this window here. I don't see us dropping out in the time period. So I'm going to jump next day. Yeah, see, same thing. So we're just going to go sideways for a little bit. Same thing. Don't really see anything being able to happen next day. Nothing there either. Next day. Nothing there. Next day. Okay, now we're getting something. We're outside of this bottom one. We could take a buy as long as the market drops down in here. So let's see. Slow this down a little bit. Nope, no sells. Sells would have worked nicely though. And we're outside of our window. All right, back to next day open. Next day open, nothing, and now we're back in there again. So we're going to go to next day. And now we're deeper into there. We're right in the middle between the two positions, having no luck. This one's just still down there. What does that look like for swap fees? I have no idea. This would probably look horrendous. You figure, actually, I don't even know when that position was taken on. Can we see that? Like, when did that position happen? That would be this guy, right? Edit. Nope. What do we got? Hide lines on chart, go to position. Go to position closed. What does that mean? I don't know what that means. Nope, did I just close it? No. I did, didn't I? Oh no. Well, that ate into some stuff there. Okay. That was no good. Oh my goodness. That completely and totally messed that up. It went to when the market finally closed off that position, which would have been in August. We were back in May. Shoot. Okay. Now you know what that happens. Go to position closed means it's going to fast forward until that position's finally closed. Darn it. All right. Well, darn. We have some positions that are in the money, out of the money, and we're going to see if these are 75% of their their whatever. So this one goes to that one. 1668 times 0.75 is 1251. So yes, that one can be closed. And this other one is 2188 times 0.75, 1641. That one can be closed too. So we will close you 100%, save, close you 100%, save, close you 75%, save or more. We could close more. Close you 75%, save. All right. So technically we have $1,000. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and close them. Just close it, close it. We're gonna clean this up. This was wonderful and everything. Um, but oh, that stinks. That stinks. So I can't even highlight these guys because these are rays, aren't they? Okay. Wow. All right. So what did we learn? Well, we learned that with this, we have an 86% win rate. Nice. That's roughly what Chad said. It was over 80% or 80%. So 86% win rate, 28 trades that I took. If we go into the session, we can actually see we made about $1,000. Monthly gain 258. We went from January to December. We didn't actually finish all the way through December because we stopped in August. So we can still go back and go for more. Yeah. So you saw some stuff. You saw how it worked out. You saw how I messed up. And we'll continue. I'll continue going, but definitely practice. Definitely practice.